In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Elementor. If you're using Elementor for designing websites, you know that sometimes making a simple underline can feel like a hidden task. But don't worry, today I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you're able to underline any text exactly how you envision it. Let's start by opening your WordPress dashboard and navigating to the page or post where you want to underline text using Elementor. Once you're there, click the Edit with Elementor button. This takes you into Elementor's editing interface, where all your custom design magic happens. Next, locate the text element you wish to underline. Simply click on the text widget you'll be working with, and the editing panel for this widget will pop up on the left side of your screen. Now that you have your text selected, head over to the Style tab in the editing panel. It's here where you'll find most of your text customization options. To underline your text, intuitively, it seems like there should be an option right in front of us, but Elementor makes this task a bit more manual. What you'll need to do is click on the typography option, then select Advanced. Here, you'll notice there's an option called Custom CSS, an incredibly handy tool for further text customization, but you'll only have access to this if you possess Elementor Pro. If you're a Pro user, enter the following CSS code under the Custom CSS box, Selector, Text Decoration, Underline. Apply this code, your text is now underlined. For those not using Elementor Pro, don't worry, I've got an alternative for you. What you can do is work through a small code insertion process. Above the text box, there's a small arrow you can click that drops down a menu with HTML tags. Here's how you underline without the Pro version: switch to text mode, locate the specific word or phrase you want underlined, and wrap it with the your text tags. Once you switch back to the visual mode, you'll see your selection underlined. Those are your key routes for underlining text in Elementor. To enhance your page further, consider additional styling options like altering the underline color through more advanced CSS, giving your content a sleek, personalized touch. Feel free to explore those possibilities as you grow more confident using Elementor. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now fully equipped to underline text within your Elementor designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with these tools and refine your techniques. Thanks for watching, and keep creating incredible designs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials. Happy designing!